Good morning. Welcome back to Buddy's Life Transformation Academy, and thank you so much for watching our videos. And I love all the messages and emails and comments that I'm receiving from all you fans out there who are watching our video. Thank you so much. And today's topic is about parenting. We just wanted to give additional information on parenting because we got so much of questions, and I truly understand you parents out there because I'm also a father of two kids, a 6-year-old son and a 9-year-old daughter. So what I want to talk about in this video is, do not pamper your child. Instead, prepare him or her to face life, to struggle, to be prepared to face the challenges of life as an opportunity to learn and grow. Now, as parents, I understand, because we want to pamper, we want to take care of our child. We feel responsible that I have to provide food, shelter, clothes, and all the stuff that my child wants, I want to give my child. Why? Because I just feel loved, because I am showing love to my child in the way of giving my child whatever my child desires. But in the bargain, you have to understand that you are pampering your child, and that is not going to help your child in future. When the child grows up, when the child becomes an adult, because as parents, our job is not to show so much love to our kids, but we have to prepare, we have to teach them, we have to train them, we have to allow them to fall, to suffer a little bit, to even get hurt, to bleed a little bit. Why? Because that is what life is all about. I mean, life is not a walk in the park. Life is not going to treat your child, lovingly, caringly. Life is going to throw at your child boulders and struggles and difficulties, and there will be negative people in your child's life, and there will be stuff that your child will need to face when he or she grows up and is ready to move to college, or is ready for marriage, or is ready to become a parent themselves. The world out there is not like you as parents. I understand that. So what I do is basically allow my son and daughter to go out with the safety net, of course, when there is a risk of physical harm or death, or yes, parents do need to provide that, but under the controlled circumstances. I mean, I've seen fathers give so much money to their sons that they have no clue how to manage money. They have been given so many things which they don't even deserve certain times at the age that they have been given, like the iPhone 6, the laptop, the gadgets. Anything that your child puts a finger on, the father, mother goes, what, I want to give this to my children. Why? The reason is because, one, you have not been given that in your childhood, so you want to provide it for your daughter and son. And secondly, you think, if I don't give this, I will be a bad father or a bad mother. That is not the truth. The job of a parent is to be as creative, loving, but at the same time allow the child to learn. You stand there and say, you do it, I'm not going to do it for you. Let's go to the bank, let's withdraw ATM money, you pay the money and I'll watch you. You need to go shop, you bargain and I'm going to watch. You want to talk to somebody, I'm not going to talk for you. Why don't you go ahead and talk, and I'm going to sit and observe, and then I'm going to teach you what mistakes you did, what you could have done, how could it have been better. Now, when I talk to parents, they say, we don't have the time to do all that. It's very easy for me to just go ahead and do it. Totally, very easy. But is your child going to learn from that? Just making it easy and making it fast, how will your child learn? When he's ready to go into college and face different kinds of friends, they get complete jittery, because you've been given the safety net. You're not allowed, no, you don't, I'll do it for you. No, you don't know, let me do it. Or it's not your age, let me do it. I have seen so many teenagers, at the age of 19, 20, even 21, they don't even know how to pack their bags for a trip. They can't even make tea at their home. They can't even do simple chores, household chores. It doesn't matter if it's a boy or a girl. They need basic life skills which a parent has to give. So my request to all parents is, please do not pamper your child. Prepare your child at different age appropriately. So if your child is like, we always say in the the parenting course that we do, think like your child, where the age group of 11 to 15 is the training age. When your child hits 11 to 15, that child has to start getting trained for life. And 15 plus is adulthood stage. The child is already an adult at 15. He should be preparing your child to face life. And here we see parents are, my child is just 16 or 17, or my child is just 18, 19. Man, your child is ready for life. Stop pampering your child. Prepare your child to face the challenges of life as an opportunity to learn and grow. And always be behind your child, observing your child, and being there as a moral support. I hope this video helps all the parents who are already pampering your child. Stop doing that. If your child is already over pampered, it's an opportunity to sit with your child and say, you need to start doing things by yourself. And sometimes children are not used to not being pampered, so you'll have to kind of move that mindset from the pampering to the strict parenting style. Now I know it's very emotional, how can I be strict, it's my child. But you will have to be strict. You will have to be a little training mode in order for the lifelong benefit for your child. I hope this video helps you. If you have any questions, please post it in the comment below. Like us on Facebook, subscribe to our channel on YouTube. I thank you for watching this, and all the parents, remember, do not pamper your child, begin training your child. Stay alive, stay fearless, dream big, stay strong, and I'll see you soon in the next video.